Nitrogen spring-supported housing can hover at any angle.
Run it up.
Enclosed guide rails are dust-proof and safer. Removable raised risers. You can carve taller and larger items. Smoke blocking rate reaches 99%. Quick release structure laser module. The 20-watt and 10-watt 2.5 watts laser modules quickly and easily. Supports a variety of software to achieve customized pattern engraving. Laser blocking rate reaches 98%. TOOCAA 10W can be expanded with various accessories. We can monitor the working status at any time through the computer. When your machine tilts, the machine will sound an alarm and pause its work. Smart enclosure design reduces working noise. As your safety engraving expert, it is also equipped with a USB key switch to prevent children from accidentally touching it and causing accidents. It can engrave 90% of cylinders and spheres used daily. When the enclosure is accidentally opened, the machine will stop working immediately. Equipped with efficient smoke exhaust system, the smoke purifier discharges the smoke generated during engraving during work. TOOCAA can not only engrave metal, leather, and wood. This is safe and smart TOOCAA 10W.